think the title is a little controversial, deliberately so that people can debate about it. I don't think we can afford to make it technology versus journalism, because in the digital world they have to really work together, because all of the user experience, the engagement, everything that happens in the digital world is underpinned by technology. So in that sense, I think they have to go hand in hand if you want to succeed. I think most newsrooms are trying. Some are succeeding more than the others. There are 2 or 3 challenges. One is you still have to devote a lot of resources to your print and your website, because that's where most of the revenue is. And it's mobile, while there's a lot of audience there isn't a lot of revenue currently. So the resource issue is a bit of a challenge to manage. 2, it's difficult to create compelling experiences on mobile devices because they're becoming smaller and smaller. Now with the Apple Watch coming, it becomes even more challenging to create good experiences on that. And then I think finally there is an issue of not having enough resources. There's not enough developers and not enough user experience folks who are specialized in mobile. It's very hard to attract them because all the other technology companies are also competing for the same talent. I think it's a bit of a false argument. I don't think creating engaging experiences with what you have decided to create is somehow undermining journalism. Clearly, you can't risk making promises to readers that your journalism doesn't support. But other than that, there's nothing wrong in saying, if I chose to do this article, I want the maximum number of people to read it. And there are tools and there are ways to do that, and that's part of journalism. I'm not saying you should change your journalism to get more people, but if you decide to do a piece of journalism, nothing wrong in saying, how can I get more people to read it? So Storyful, when we bought them, had about 30 employees. I think they're about 90 now. They've created a lot more products. They have a relationship with Facebook, where they help Facebook journalists discover news on Facebook. They've had a lot more partnerships. They're also focused on what I would call native advertising and branded content. They're helping brands discover and verified social content. So in that sense, they have been given the resources to expand more globally. There's a 24/7 newsroom now around the world. So I think those are the areas where they have done well because of being part of News Corp. News Corp's newsrooms continue to use them. I would say that not as much as I would like them to. There's still more to do, but we treat the News Corp newsrooms as customers like we would treat anybody outside. There's no special preference for them. So it's really up to the newsrooms to embrace verification and social media that Storyful brings. I think most journalists don't think of readers when they create journalism. It's a very inside-out view, and this forces them to now have to think about what will be the experience of consuming this journalism. So they have to begin by putting themselves in readers' shoes, which is very hard for a lot of journalists. And then once you've done that, then you have to have the right resources. You may not be able to create a widget or a tool yourself, but you need to be able to work with others in your organization who can do that, which means that you have to be a lot more collaborative. You have to be willing to share what your journalism is, which again, journalists find very hard to do. So I think those are some of the cultural and resource challenges, but the biggest challenge is kind of putting yourself in the reader's shoes.